What are some issues with getting a car out of impound in DUI cases? Arizona DUI defense attorney says different police agencies handle impounding vehicles in different ways. The officer could sometimes be nice enough to leave the vehicle where it is parked if the person was stopped in a parking lot. Sometimes officers will actually move a person's vehicle in order to pull it into a parking spot or park legally on the roadway so the suspect can get their vehicle when they are no longer impaired. Generally speaking, police agencies here in Maricopa County usually have internal rules that state if someone was arrested under suspicion of extreme DUI, their vehicle will be impounded for 30 days. The harsh part is that a lot of times, the officers go after the portable breath test result, which is not considered reliable enough to use against the person in the court of law. If the person gave a portable breath test result above 0.15, but then ended up doing a breath testing on an Intoxilyzer 8000, which is considered reliable enough to use against them in the court of law, and that result came back below 0.15, the officers would still be able to impound the vehicle based on the unreliable portable breath test result. The vehicle would generally be impounded for 30 days. There are only a few legal ways to get a vehicle out of impound before the 30 days are up. One way would be for someone else whose name is on the title to go in and pick up the vehicle prior to the 30 days. The other way would be for the spouse of the client to go in and pick up the vehicle. Usually, if another person on the title or the spouse went to pick up the vehicle before the 30 days were up, it would be very likely they would have to sign a contract stating the person who was operating the vehicle at the time of the DUI would not be allowed to operate that vehicle for 1 year, regardless of them still having a valid driver's license the day after the arrest. Their license would usually be suspended for 90 days total for either being suspected or convicted of DUI, and this contract would preclude them from operating that vehicle for 1 year. For a free consultation, call Arizona DUI Law Team at 602-357-8980 or visit their website at www.arizDUI.com.